to statistics, about 70% of people in the world today are not motivated by what they do. This is as a result of lack of experience or unwillingness to learn. Sometimes people are willing to learn, but the circumstances around them and the way people talk down on them does not make them to learn what they want to do. They have dreams, but people have the mentality of you don't have experience in this thing and you don't want to learn. People does not understand what you have inside of you. The potential inside of you is like the cake, and the icing in the cake beautifies the cake, but what is inside the cake never change. That is what is inside of you that motivates you. And now this drives us to the question, what is motivation? Motivation, this is the reason behind your behavior at a particular moment. This is the reason behind what makes you to do what you are doing at a particular moment. This is motivation. And now we'll be looking at some strategy to be motivated. Now, strategy to be motivated, number one, ambiguity. In setting your goals, you know your dream, you know what you know how to do best. This is what I want to do. This is the business idea that I have. You set your goals, you look at the strategies around the business, and then set the goals. Do not allow people idea to take you away from the idea you have. Set these goals, work to it, try to achieve that thing that is best of inside of you. Setting your goals and be positive. Be positive towards that thing inside of you, that special potential inside of you. Try to have the best thing inside of you and let that thing out. Trick number 2, passion for your goal. Having passion for something is having genuine love for something. This drives the motivation inside of you out. This brings out every energy inside of you. When you have passion for something, you are ready and willing to do whatever it takes you to have what you want in that thing. There are a lot of things that will happen on the way. You are ready to fight back. You are ready to fight back because you have passion for it. You are motivated to do that thing at the particular moment. In the time of your business, you are motivated to do your business. In time of your dreams and those things you have idea, those positive things, you know, you have the time for it. You are motivated to do it. You have passion for these things. Trick number 3, break your goals. Now, you have passion for something. There is this special thing you have passion for. You break it to the lower strategy, to the lower platform. I have come to realize that a lot of people in the world today has failed because they always want to start on the bigger platform. They always want to start from the top. They never want to start from the low platform. Today I am a young motivational speaker, and as a young motivational speaker, I never look for a greater platform to start. I look for a very low platform to start. That is why whenever someone has a dream to do something, you look for the lower place to start from. Those little places that you people never think it will take you that far. Look for those lower platforms. This because when you start from the lower platform, it drives the motivation inside of you. You want to be high. You want to go far. But when you are up there, you believe people know you already and you're not motivated. You don't want to do anything anymore. You don't have passion for these things anymore. Try to start from the lower part. That is breaking your goals, breaking into the lower standard. For example, you are a businesswoman or a businessman. You have all the money, all the capital it takes you to start a particular business. You invest all this money into this business without thinking. But when you don't have the money, and you have little of the money, before you invest, you think and you want to see what you are investing your money into, because it is so difficult for you to get all the money at a time. This is breaking your goals. It is very important when it comes to motivation. when it comes to dreams, it is very, very important. You have to break your goals to the lower minimum that people will not even think something good can come out of it. Trick number 4. Taking challenge. Taking challenge is very important to us when it comes to motivation. A lot of youth never want to take challenge. They want everything in an easy way. They want the easy best life. They want the easy thing. They don't just want to take challenge. In every dream or in any motivation, in any business idea, problem or challenge will definitely come. And it's the ability for you to face the challenge matters a lot. And this gives you more idea. This makes you to know what you have to do next. When you fail at the beginning, you are going to get it right the next time. Trick number 5, and material things. A lot of us do not look at the passion, the love, and the reason why we go into these businesses or this dream. We don't know the reason why we are motivated to do certain things. We just go into these things because of the money, because of the fame that we're going to see in future. When you go into a particular stuff or a particular business because of the fame or the money involved in it, you are going to fail woefully, because you have to go into it because of what you have inside of you that you have to give to the next person. What you have inside of you that you have to deliver. You have a business idea, there is a business trick you have to do, that you have to deliver the best business idea you have to give. Trick number 6. Mentor and imitation. Mentorship and imitation. Now, mentorship is someone you look up to. This is your mentor. You look up to this person in this field, in this business idea. You look up to this person because this person has been there before. He has done this thing before. He knows what he's doing. So you look up to this person in this field. Imitation is trying to be like somebody. In business or in being motivated to do something, imitation is very, very wrong. You don't have to imitate anybody. You have to be unique. You have to be yourself. When it comes to business, when it comes to idea, you have to be unique. You have to be on your own. That doesn't mean you cannot look up to your mentor who has been in the field before you. Look at him, look at his tricks, add to your own idea, and work on your own. Trick number 7. Accepting mistakes. This is very important to me, because a lot of time there are some things I do that are wrong, and I go to the elderly ones and say, okay, how do I take these steps? There are people who have been there before me and they tell me, do this and do that. Now, it is also important when you are being motivated. There are people who have been there before you that you have to go up to. You accept the mistakes from them because you have already made a mistake and you have to accept this mistake. It's very important when you are being motivated in business ideas. When you are doing business, you have to be ready that people will definitely correct you in one way or the other. Be motivated and be ready to accept mistakes. Accepting mistakes doesn't mean you're foolish. It's just a sign of you showing your readiness for your dream and your purpose. Trick number 8. This is very important in life. Prayer. Whatever you do in life without prayer, it can never be possible, because you have to always pray for what you want to come true. Prayer is very important, my dear. I leave you with this. Always pray for your dream to come true. Thank you very much. I am Unique Obas from JCK TV. I want to say a very big thanks to the man behind the camera, Jack the director, and to all my crew out there, Prince, the TOP man. I say thank you very much. I see all my guys behind the camera, friends, that has been commenting. People have been sharing my video. I am really, really overwhelmed the way my last video went so viral. You shared, you commented, and I received a lot of DMs from my Instagram. Guys, I really love you. I appreciate this. I'm really, really happy the way you guys shower me a lot of love and blessings. I want you guys to follow us up on our Facebook page, on Instagram, on Twitter at JCKTV, on all social media platforms. Follow us at JCKTV, and you can follow me on my direct Instagram account at NDUnique, NDUNIQUE, at NDUnique. I love you guys. Peace out.